2024.
Medical facilities should embrace solar power generation systems to reduce reliance on the national grid, as well as have stable and sustainable power supply to support uninterrupted healthcare services. Davies and Shirtliff Group CEO George Mbugua says installed solar systems would power about 30% of energy needs.
According to the 2025 economic survey by the Kenya National Bureau of Statistics, 91.1% of domestic electricity generation in 2024 came from renewable sources, with solar contributing 4%. The newly commissioned system prioritizes solar energy during daylight hours and automatically switches to the national grid when solar generation is insufficient. This hybrid setup enhances energy reliability while reducing dependence on conventional power sources. The solar installation will meet 30% of the hospital energy needs through clean, renewable solar power, leading to reduced carbon footprint.
The more the cost to incur, whether it's utility or consumables, that cost ends up reflecting the price that goes to the customer. So in managing or reducing our utility cost, then it means that you're going to provide care more efficiently to our customers. So solar is kind of predictable, so that we're going to have a more predictable source of renewable energy as compared to probably other sources of energy.
With this system now, the primary source of power really is solar, and then the next is Kenya Power. And only maybe at night, if there is a major blackout, they would have to use a generator.
The grid tie systems are cost-effective due to their low maintenance and a lifespan of up to 25 years. Practical features such as rooftop walkways and water points are incorporated to simplify panel cleaning and maintenance, ensuring long-term efficiency.
That's an example of how an institution can be environmentally friendly by reducing emissions, the emissions into the environment using the solar power. There are institutions like these, there are schools, there are farms, and entities that need to be more efficient, need to have a better value from their resources.
Betty Kiptum, Lunchtime News.
Right, time for